Hi, we're Dan and Trina Webster, and as the founders of ZQuiet, we understand that finding the right snoring solution is no easy task. There's a lot of options out there. So people often ask us, how do I know if ZQuiet is right for me? So let's talk about that.
The fact is that all mouthpieces, like ZQuiet, use the teeth to advance the lower jaw. For that reason, there are certain people that shouldn't use them regardless of the brand. So let's make sure you're not one of them. You need to have generally healthy teeth and gums, so no loose, cracked, or overly crooked teeth or loose crowns. ZQuiet isn't recommended if you wear braces, full dentures, or have had any recent dental implants. You want to make sure that you don't have any history of jaw pain or TMJ, otherwise known as temporomandibular joint disorder.
The good news is that most people are good candidates for ZQuiet, and we've seen incredible success over the past 10 years. We love that millions of people are sleeping better because of ZQuiet, and we hope that you'll become one of them.
We also understand that people need some reassurance with their purchase, which is why we offer a 30-night better sleep guarantee. So if you're a good candidate for a mouthpiece, give ZQuiet a try. We're confident that you,
and the person sleeping next to you,
will be glad that you did.